Hello guys! It's me again. Now I'm gonna show you my MotoGP collection. Bye! Now I'm gonna show you, first of all, now I'm gonna show you the first motorcycle is this one. This is the 2002 Repsol Honda. The number, can you see the number is 46? Here, and you can see a monster dog here. And you can see a Michelin writing and the doctor gas. You can see the gas writing. Then you can see the RCV letter writing. Now you can see, and the Repsol logo. Two logos in here. You can see the gas again, and you can see a manpower here. You can see the Honda logo, the real Honda logo here. The writings, all of the writings here that my daddy make it, and also the Honda writing, and the Repsol, the blue Repsol writing, and the Repsol Honda writings here. And the muffler, you can see a Polini logo here, and you can see the bottom here, a Repsol again. If the real one, you can open this. Inside here is a gas. The handlebar for riding, and you can move it right and left. The back wheel is very big, and the front one is the smallest. Now I'm gonna show you another one. Comes to the second is the 2014 93. Now I'm gonna show you, there is a Bridgestone logo here, and an HRC front, and a Repsol writing here and here. But it is broken, a little bit broken, because I put it like this. A Bridgestone writings. You can see a logo gas here, and you can see a logo Honda here, and you can see the Repsol logo, the Real Champions. And then I'm gonna show you, comes to this third one. The rider is Dani Pedrosa, and you can see the Honda Satu Hati, and here is the Honda heart. Inside, in here, you can open this. Inside is a gas, but the real one. The brand of the muffler is Terminoni, and which, it is Yamaha. The number is 46, same like this one. The same rider. This is one Rossi and this is one Rossi. So I'm gonna show you the difference. There is a smoking video font writings. Make it a closer look. And a Yamaha logo. Then there is an M in the body, and M1. M1. The YZR. M1 YZR. And you can see a Monster Energy writing, but you cannot see it because it is broken. Because I play it on the park. Also this one, and this one. And you can see a Yamaha logo or a writing. And you can see a Rips Your Heart and this black thing. And you can see an M again, and in the bottom is movie star, and in the wheel we can see a writing, a Bridgestone writing here, and you can see, what is that? The small writing, this one, and there's an Exiles logo here, the writing. So if you cannot see it here, I'll show you with my hand. And you can see a monster logo, the monster dog logo again. Inside here also is, I guess, also the real one. You can see the bottom, and this one, and this one, and then with this one, then I'll take my favorite motorcycle. Here is this is the new 93, the 2015 Repsol Honda. The difference is the number is 93. Wait. And there is the Repsol writing. It's so small. Then this one is bigger. And there is a Red Bull bottom here, and a Honda, satu hati, and a one heart, and a gas logo. And the muffler is the brand of the muffler is Terminoni, the same. If it's this one, this is Polini. This is HRC, an HRC logo. Inside here is also a gas battery one. Then two mufflers. There is a two mufflers. One is here and here. Then you can see the different no Repsol Hondas in here. The no Repsol I can see, but up here, and you can see a Honda writing here, and you can see a Honda logo here. If you cannot see it, you can take a closer look here. I'm done with this one, and I still have 3 more motorcycles. This is the small version, kind of small. Here, the same right. This is the 93. This is the 26. And the last one is 46 in the movie star, but not in the Repsol Honda. Yeah? Here you go. This is the same also as this one. And I'm gonna show you one more thing. The Repsol Honda card. This is the MotoGP 2017 calendar. The first circuit is Qatar until the very last, it's Valencia. And it is in Spain. The Valencia is in Spain, and the Los Angeles circuit is in the Qatar. Here you can see. If you wanna read it, okay then. Here. Okay then, I'm done. Bye guys, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.